I'm Rupa from Banglore, Karnataka, and I have this 400 square feet terrace garden on my 4th floor building. This garden is built on the 4th floor, and I have all vegetables and fruit plants also. I'm very happy to say that I have been using Utkarsh Beveroz-P mainly for caterpillars and white grubs, which are snails also, which were the major problem during the rainy seasons and the winter season. Hence, I am grateful to Utkarsh for giving me such a beautiful product. And now recently, I have been introduced to Utkarsh microbes, which will help the plants to uptake all the other nutrients from the soil. It is being used in place of Bacillomyces, Pseudomonas, and it acts as a replacement for these two products, which helps the plants to take all the micronutrients and other nutrients from the soil. Thank you so much.